Meet Connecteam's Help Desk, a dedicated communication tool that functions as an internal support center for your employees. Help Desk gathers all issues, requests, and questions to one centralized place. Does your company have an internal call center to support distributed teams that encounter an issue? For example, a store manager needs to contact maintenance in need of an urgent repair. A field worker reached a client and needs to report missing equipment to the dispatcher. An employee has a question for finance regarding their payslip. Now with Connecteam's Help Desk, you can ensure they all get an immediate response from the right address, all in one place. No more spamming group chats or reaching out to multiple contacts. Here's how it works. When an employee encounters an issue, they submit a query in the relevant help desk. Once a relevant representative sets their status to available, they get a push notification for a new query in real time and will be assigned to handle it. Since the help desk is part of the Connecteam platform, the rep can instantly send internal assets such as forms, shift details, price layouts, or any other relevant information. Does a query require attention from a different rep? Is the rep going offline? No problem. They can assign the query to another available rep. Once a query is resolved, the rep closes it, striving to have zero open conversations. Managers can see which conversations are open and ensure they're being handled, helping to maintain a high level of service and ensuring no issue is left unresolved. Make sure every query gets handled fast and effectively. Connecteam.